Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams. Or students, today we will discuss acids, bases and salts. This is chapter number 2 of class 10th in which acids, bases and salts. So let's start today's chapter. In this lecture we will discuss general characteristics of acids and bases. So first we will discuss about acids. What are acids? What are acids? Acids are those substances which are sour in taste. The substances which are sour in taste that are called acids. They turns blue litmus solution into red. Acids turns blue litmus into red. They have the tendency to give H ions, means they have the tendency to give protons in aqueous solution. The term acid has been derived from the Latin word that is acidus, which means sour. There are two types of acids, strong acids and weak acids. The strong acids are those acids like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, which dissociate in water completely or in maximum amount, that are called strong acids. And weak acids are acetic acid, which is CH3COOH, which is present in vinegar, oxalic acid, lactic acid, etc. There are lots of examples of strong and weak acids, but here are some. Now we will discuss concentrated acids and diluted acids. What is the difference between concentrated acids and diluted acids? Concentrated acids are those acids in acid is in more amount while water is in less amount. ऐसे एसिड्स जिनमें मैक्सिमम कंसनट्रेशन एसिड की होती है, वाटर की कंसनट्रेशन बहुत ही कम होती है, वाटर की परसेंटेज बहुत कम होती है, दे आर कॉल्ड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एसिड्स and they are very hazardous for our health, especially strong acids. Diluted acids have more amount of water while less amount of acids. They are called, जब हम more amount में थोड़ा सा एसिड ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है? डाइल्यूटेड एसिड्स. Now we will discuss bases. Bases are those substances which are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो बिटर होते हैं टेस्ट में और सोपी होते हैं टच में, दे आर कॉल्ड बेसिस. दे टर्न्स रेड लिटमस सॉल्यूशन ब्लू, यानी कि ये रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में टर्न कर देते हैं. दे गिव OH ions in aqueous solution. When they dissolve in water, they give OH negative ions. Bases also classify in two categories: strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases are like NaOH, which is called caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, while weak base is ammonium hydroxide. Alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water. The bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkalis, like NaOH, KOH, calcium hydroxide, etc. यहाँ पे एक नोट करने वाला पॉइंट है, आप लोग एक पॉइंट नोट करें कि सभी बेसिस, all the bases are not alkalis while all the alkalis are bases. Okay. Salts are those compounds which are formed by reaction of acid and base. When any acid or base react together, they give salts and water. For example, NaCl, KCl, etc. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें और अगला वीडियो देखने के लिए वेट करें. थैंक यू.